Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to change Instagram date of birth under 18. In this video, I will be showing you how to edit and set your birthday. If you are a teenager and you are under 18, first launch Instagram app on your phone, then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right, and then tap edit profile. Tap personal information settings. Then go to change of birth. So you need to put contact us. So choose your original birthday and confirm. If you are under 18 and need to change the birthday, then you need to contact Instagram support team. So here we go. We are already on the request to change your date of birth. So we'll just answer the following. So you will just finish answering this one. Then what year? For example, it's 2005 June. Then the reason. Then you will just put your email address. Then you will confirm your email address. Then you will provide a valid ID. Then it says here that your photo ID must include your face and date of birth so that we can verify your age. After you send us your copy of ID, it will be encrypted and stored securely. So you will just attach a photo of your ID and with your face included. So we'll just send this one, and after that, it may take a few days for the birthday to change review. You will receive an email once your birthday has been changed. So this is how you can change your birthday if you're under 18. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, please put it in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and like.